Good evening, candidates. How are you? Welcome to our revision today. We are going to revise Kcse Mathematics Paper 1. So prepare yourself, take your pen and a paper or a book so that we can go through together. Again, as we begin, if it is your first time to see my channel, kindly subscribe, press the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated promptly. So let us begin. Our question 1 says, use logarithm tables to evaluate the square root of 3196 squared times the cube of 0.024 divided by 204.6. Let us go through this question together. We are going to say, let P be equal to 3196 squared times 0.024 cubed divided by 204.6, and you raise it by half. Okay, from there we introduce logs and we say log P is going to be half in bracket log, that is 2 log 3196 plus 3 log 0.024 minus log 204.6. Can close our bracket. Okay, so from there we can find the log of every number alone. So we are going to have 2 log 3196. We use our calculator and we say log 3196, which gives me 3.504. So 2 times 3.5046, which when I multiply by 2 gives me 7.0092. 7.0092. Then I proceed 3 log 0.024 is going to be 3 times the log of 0.024. This one is negative 1.6198. Then I multiply by 3. It gives me negative 4. Okay, I can just repeat. That is log 0.024. It is negative 1.6198. Then I multiply by 3 to give me negative 4.8594. Okay. Then the other one is the log of 204.6. The log of 204.6. This one gives me 2.3109. Okay. So now we can put those decimal numbers into the bracket. We say log P is equals to half of 7.0092 minus, this is a 4.8594 minus 2.3109. Then I close my bracket like that. Okay, we can continue working it out together. So we say 7.0092 minus 4.8594 minus 2.3109. This one gives me 0.1611. So log P is equals to half of 0.1611 negative, like that. So which when I divide by 2 gives me negative 0.855, negative 0.0865, 55, not 65, like that. Okay, from there I will find the antilog of this one. That is, we find the antilog of negative 0.08055. So together, so shift log, so I get 0.8307. So the answer is 0.8307. So that is our final answer. That is our final answer, 0.8307. So we are going to move on to question number 2. I had said if you had not subscribed to my channel, you can press the subscribe button so that as we move on, you will be updated whenever I update and I upload a new video. So press the subscribe button before we move on to the next question. Our question number 2 says, electricity bill comprises of a meter rent charge of 250 shillings, a fixed charge of 130, a charge of 1.5 per unit, and fuel costs of charge 5% of the total charges. Mr. Chirichiri, a domestic customer of Kcse Limited, consumed 898 units in a certain month. Find the monthly bill in Kenya shillings of Mr. Chirichiri that month. Let us proceed with this question. Okay, let us work out the question. We have been told there is a rent of 250 shillings. Then there is also the fixed charge of 130 shillings. Then from there we have the cost of 898, that is 898 units. 898 units, and we have been told 1 unit is 1.5, so we multiply times 898 units. This one gives us so 1347. So for the 898 units is 1347. Then we have told there is 5% of the total cost, so we get the total cost, which is going to be 250 plus 130 plus 1347. Okay, so we add 250 plus 130. This gives me 1727. So total cost is 1727. Then we have to add the 5%. So we say plus 5 over 100 times 1727, like that. So this one, so 5% is the same as 8635. So we are going to say the total costs or the total charges are going to be 1727 plus 86.35. So this one gives us it gives us 1813.35 Kenya shillings. That is what Chichi is going to pay to the Kenya Power and Lightning Company. Okay, so let us move on to question number 3. Our question number 3 says, if 2 over 3 is added to the numerator of a certain fraction, if 2 over 3 is added to the numerator of a certain fraction, the fraction will be increased by 1 over 21. And if half is taken from its denominator, that fraction becomes 2 over 9. Find the reciprocal of the fraction. Let us also look at this question. So let us say, let the fraction be a over b. So our numerator is a and our denominator is b. So when 2 over 3 is added to the numerator, we say a over 1 plus 2 over 3, and we simplify it to become 3, then 3a plus 2. So when we write the whole fraction is going to be 3a plus 2 over 3 divided by b. We have said that the fraction, when 2 over 3 is added to the numerator, it becomes, the fraction will be increased by 1 over 21. So the fraction was a over b, so it is increased by 1 over 21. Okay, we can simplify both sides. So for this side, it is going to be equal to 3a plus 2 over 3b being equal to 21b divided, that is 21a here, then plus b, like that. Okay, so from there we can multiply both sides by the LCM of 3b and 21b, which is 21b. So multiply this side by 21b, this side we also multiply by 21b, like that. Okay, so 3b will cancel here, you get 7, 21 will cancel here. Okay, so we shall have 7 times 3, we get 21a plus 14 being equal to 21a plus b. Okay, so when you take 21a to this side, it is going to be minus, so it is going to cancel, and we have our b being equal to 14. Okay, from there we have also been told that if half is taken from the denominator, the fraction becomes 2 over 9. So we can rewrite another fraction. We have a over b minus, we are taking away, so minus half should give us 2 over 9. Okay, this one can be simplified further to become a over b over 1 minus 1 over 2 equals to 2 over 9, which we can simplify further to become what, a over, then that is 2, then we have 2b minus 1, like that, being equal to 2 over 9, 2 over 9, like that. Then this one will simplify, to 2a over 2b minus 1 being equal to 2 over 9. We can substitute the value of b so that we can directly get the value of a. Okay, so remember we had said that b is 14, so it's going to be 2a over 14 times 2 is 28. 28 minus 1 is 27. It's equals to 2 over 9. Then to simplify for the value of a, we multiply both sides by 7 over 2. So times 27 over 2 times 27 over 2, like that. 2 cancels here by 9, 1 by 9, 3. 27 in the 2. So we have our a is 3. Okay, so that means that our fraction was 3 over 14, which means the reciprocal is going to be 14 over 3. And that is our final answer. You can make it a mixed number to get 4 and 2 over 3. It's your final answer. Okay, let us proceed to question number 4. Our question 4 says, a man sets out at 8 a.m. for a 30-kilometer journey. His average speed was 5 kilometers per hour for the journey, but rests for 10 minutes after each hour at the walking. He rests for half an hour at the destination and returns on a bicycle at 20 kilometers per hour non-stop. At what time does the man arrive again? 4 marks. Let us see how this question can be tackled. So let us assume that this man is moving from point A to point B. Okay, the distance we have been told is 30 kilometers. Okay, and the speed the speed is 5 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we can start by finding the time that he spends cycling from A to B. So time is equal to distance over speed. Okay, so distance is 30 kilometers and the speed is 5 kilometers per hour. So we are going to get that he spends 6 hours. Okay, but remember that after every 1 hour he rests for 10 minutes. He rests 10 minutes after each 1 hour. So if he is moving from A to B, so he is going to move from A. After 5 kilometers he rests 10 minutes. After the other 5 kilometers, that is at 10 kilometers, he will also rest for another 10 minutes. From 10 kilometers to 15, he will also rest for another 10. From 15 to 20, so at 20 you will rest another 10 minutes. From 10 to 25, from 20 to 25 we will rest for another 10 minutes. And when he arrives at the destination, that is at 30 kilometers, you will rest for, you are told you will rest for half an hour. You will rest for half an hour. Okay, so here he is going to rest 30 minutes. So in total he's going to rest how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 50 plus 30. So he is going to rest for a total of 80 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, that is total rest time. Okay, we can also calculate the time taken from the point B to A, where we are going to say 30 kilometers divided by the speed, which is 20 kilometers per hour, and here we are going to get 3/2 of an hour, which is the same as 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so in total time taken, we have to add the 1 hour 20 minutes plus 1 hour 30 minutes, then plus the 6 hours. Okay, so we add, we are going to say 1 hour 20 minutes plus 1 hour 30 minutes plus the 6 hours. Okay, so we are going to get a total of 8 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, so that is what we are going to add, because the question is asking at what time does the man arrive home again. So we have to add the time taken to the what? To the departure time, which is 8. So we are going to say 8 a.m. you add 8 hours 50 minutes. So we are going to get 05, and this is 16:50 hours. So in 12 hours it is going to be 4:50 p.m. That is the time when he is going to arrive home again. So let us move on to our question number 5, which says, in a class there are thrice as many boys as girls. 1/3 of the boys are from poor families, while 1/5 of the girls are from rich families. Find the percentage number of pupils from rich families in the class. Let us see how we can work out this question together. So it is my hope that you have your writing materials. So let us go through this question. Let us move on with this question. So we have been told that there are thrice as many boys as girls. So we say let girls be X. Okay, so if girls are X and the boys are thrice, meaning boys are equal to 3X. So it means that the total number of pupils in the class are 4X. Okay, from there we are told 1/3 of the boys are from poor families. So the fraction of boys from poor families is 1/3 of their total, which is 3X. So times 3X, meaning that is X boys are from poor families. So if X boys are from poor families, these are from poor families. So how many are from rich? From rich families are 2x. Okay, so if they are 2x, girls from rich families are 1/5 of x, because we are told a fifth of the girls are from rich families and the girls are x, so it's 1/5 of x. So pupils from rich families are going to be 2x plus 1/5x. So this one you can put 1. This one is going to be 5, and then we are going to have 10 plus 1. These are our x. So you can put in bracket x there. So this one is going to be 11/5x. These are the pupils from the fraction of pupils from rich families. Okay, so but remember we have been asked the percentage, so we have to say the number of pupils who are from rich families over the total number of pupils times 100. So we are going to say 11/5x divided by the total number of pupils. Remember we said the total number of pupils is what? 4x times 100 gives us the percentage. So this one is the same as 11/20x. Okay, times what? Times 100. Okay, of course we are going to omit x because x is there representing the total number of pupils. So we say 11/20 times 100, and this one is going to give us 55%. That is the fraction of the pupils from the rich families. So that is our question number 5, and it marks the end of our revision for today. So I had said that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button so that we shall be revising together, because you shall be updated whenever I post a new video. So subscribe, please. Do me that favor. Have a good day.